Hi, how's everyone doing? It's my first YouTube video ever. And it's pretty awkward. I've honestly been sitting here for the past hour, trying to make an intro. It ain't working. So I'm just gonna say screw it. My name's Jesse, and I'm a builder, fabricator, body tech, little sandy here. I hate doing that though. Installer, a lot of things, except for painting. I leave that up to my brother, which that's personally why I'm here, because this candy he laid out looks amazing. And it's gonna make this video a little more interesting while I'm sitting here blabbing away for a quick second. We started this body shop, House of Pearls, about 8 years ago. It's me, my best friend, brother, Paul, and his girlfriend, Nikki. We specialize in different things, but we all can pretty much do, the bodywork side. The main reason for making a YouTube, I don't post anything. I'm never on social media, ever. I purchased the 79 C10 that was completely ready to die in a graveyard. It was rusted everywhere. Their bodies are really hot, and I've always loved them, honestly. So I decided to buy it and completely restore it. Frame off everything. Every nut and bolt is brand new. Just getting an LS swap. Keep having trouble with, colors and deciding certain things, whether I want to sell it, whether I want to do a giveaway. I think that would be awesome. Or just drive it and do cool shit and, buy another one and build something even crazier. I don't know, I like building stuff. We all have been doing this for even more than 8 years. And this has also given us the means to learn a lot, because all we really do is old classics besides this, but it's 1100 horsepower. It's no joke. It's like a street race car. It's getting a candy, so it's something cool. So we will do newer stuff if it has some sort of cool factor, but mostly we stick to classics. And there's really nothing on them, there's no standards, there's no real YouTube videos. And at this point, honestly, I think it'd be kind of cool to help people out who are trying to do the same thing, because I think these old classics really are coming back in style. So enough of this beautiful paint job. He did all the jams and undersides. Let's check my truck out. Stuff to it. We got super clean firewall, which I do need to still cut 4 holes there for the vintage air, but everything has been replaced on this truck. Literally everything. It does have factory fenders and hood and doors and cab, except for the floor. I did replace the whole floor. I'll show you. Wow. But now I'm at the point where I have a lot of uncertainties, like what I'm gonna paint it, because this thing's gonna start getting painted next week. It's that final icing. So basically we have stripped the truck down to bare metal, sandblast, and stripped it with stripper and a couple other things, and then primed it, PDR'd it, dents or low spots out, get it as good as possible, and we lay filler, sand that as good as possible, and then we lay icing, and we like to icing the whole vehicle because you get these really nice gaps. You know, there's some colors I'm actually thinking about. Let's see. Sorry, I'm still at this. You know, something like that. Something like that. Or that. With a pearl white center. Didn't really want to make this that long, you know. I just wanted to give a little breakdown of why I even started this, any of that stuff. And like I said, I need help figuring out some colors, what I'm gonna do, whether I'm gonna, I don't know, sell it, give it away, or who knows what. I guess that's why I'm starting a YouTube, because it really seems these days with YouTube, the sky is the limit. And that's really what I want to do in life, you know. Just sky's the limit. Do whatever you want. Build all kinds of shit. So doing the rest of the day, I'm gonna be sanding, getting this ready to prime hopefully Monday, Tuesday worst case. But this is about ready to choose a color, so I would love your guys' help, and I'm gonna keep making these videos. I don't care how many people are watching. It's honestly gonna be cool to see no matter what, because I have big plans. And I guess my first one is an LS C10, completely redone. Tag along with me, like, share, subscribe. It would help me so much, and I would so appreciate it. You guys be safe out there, and I'll see you on the next video.